If you dream of being in the business of fashion, let me tell you about the course I did at NIFT. It's called Master of Fashion Management, or MFM in short. It is actually equivalent to an MBA course, but especially for the apparel industry. This course was actually started in NIFT in its inceptional year. The course actually covers subjects like buying, merchandising, retail operations, which is specially for the fashion industry. In the first semester, what was exciting was we had an outbound program, which was like a college trip where we can interact with our classmates and do various physical activities like trekking, rock climbing. This was actually a relaxation from the academics. In the first year itself, we get to choose and study one of the courses from the UG programs, which includes like fashion communication, textile design or fashion designing. And I chose fashion communication, in which I learned the basis of product photography, product styling and visual merchandising. In the second semester, we had a cluster visit where we were taken to traditional handloom weaving industry and learn about various processes. We were asked to do a research and do documentation based on it. Our batch visited various districts of Andhra Pradesh, including Anantapur, Dharmavaram, etc., where weaving is very popular. In the third semester, we were asked to do an internship other than the subject learning. This internship was actually called FIIT, which is called Fashion Industry Internship Training. This internship is basically for 2 months, and I did my internship in Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited under Alansoli. In this internship, I worked in Alansoli store and learned about its various organizational functions. I also learned about window displays, visual merchandising, about inward and outward of stocks. At the end of this internship, we prepare a report and present it in front of a jury panel of 5 members, which include our own faculties and industry experts. The fourth semester or the last semester is basically for the graduation project, in which we have to work in the industry for 6 months and do a research or take a problem in the industry and work on it. I got the opportunity to work for Future Group in Hyderabad Central on the topic Category Analysis of Dresses, a case study of Hyderabad Central. I can confidently say that at the end of this course, each of us will be equipped with leadership and managerial skills. My classmates got job related to mall management, e-business and store operations. The company which comes for placements ranges from Adidas to Tommy Hilfiger to Forever New, IKEA, and we also get opportunities where we can work abroad. To take admission in any master program, you need to be a graduate in any discipline and clear 2 rounds of NIFT entrance exam. This include GAT exam, and one shortlisted you have to go through group discussion and personal interview. The NIFT GAT exam is for 3 hours, and it is an MCQ test which include comprehensive English communication, basic maths or GK and case studies. The exam is held in the month of Jan or Feb, and the admission notification will come in October or November. If you're shortlisted for round 2, then you need to attend a group discussion with 10 to 12 students where you have to discuss on a case study topic. Then it is followed by a personal interview in front of a panel where they will assess your communication and attitude. The MFM alumni list is strong and formidable. Over the last 3 decades, NIFT alumni has backed most of the higher position in the fashion industry. It is an exciting world where you discover hidden potentials within you. This MFM course actually makes you industry ready and confident.